Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about measuring length. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please don't skip the ads in this video. Thanks! Now, let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about measuring length by Miss Heidi D. Makapinla. So our objectives for this lesson is to convert measurement from one unit to another in both metric and English systems and solve problems involving conversion of units of measurement. Length. When we are talking about length, is the measure of how long an object is, or the distance from one point to another point. Foot is the plural for form. The plural form for foot is feet. Inch, yard, and mile are units of length under the English system of measurement, while kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter are units of length under metric system of measurement. So we have two units of measurement. We have the English system of measurement and the metric system of measurement. In converting from units to another, the conversion factors in the right are needed. So these are the conversion factors for the length. When we're talking about the English to English measurement, we have this equivalency. So kapag 1 foot, equivalent siya sa 12 inches. Kapag 1 yard, equivalent siya sa 3 foot or 3 feet. So kapag 1 yard, ilang inches siya? So ang gagawin lang natin ay imumultiply lang natin si 3 at saka si 12. So 3 times 12 is 36. So ibig sabihin, ang 1 yard ay equivalent sa 36 inches. Ang 1 mile ay equivalent naman sa 1,760 yards. Or in the other hand, ang 1 mile ay equivalent din sa 5,280 feet. So paano ko ito? Multiply mo lang yung 1,760 yards kay 3 para makuha mo yung equivalent ng 1 mile kay feet. Mamaya, meron tayong mga example pagdating sa conversion. For metric to metric system naman, ang 1 kilometer ay equivalent sa 1,000 meters. Ang 1 hectometer ay equivalent sa 100 meters. Ang 1 decameter ay equivalent sa 10 meters. Ang 1 meter ay equivalent sa 10 decimeters. Ang 1 meter ay equivalent sa 100 centimeters. Ang 1 meter ay equivalent sa 1,000 millimeters. Ang 1 centimeter ay equivalent sa 10 millimeters. Okay? So, parang ganun lang siya. So, ibig sabihin, ang 1 decimeter ay equivalent sa 10 centimeters. Parang ganun siya. So, nagmumultiply siya. Okay? So, 10 times 10 is 100. Then, 100 times 10 is 1,000. Parang ganun siya. Ganun yung paglaki ng ating measurement. Okay? So, ito yung ating metric to metric. So, naipakita ko na yung English to English saka metric to metric. Ngayon, note, in converting from metric to metric, you can use this technique. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So, etong phrases na to, or phrase na to, ay mnemonics lamang, or parang acronym siya na pwedeng gamitin na may meaning para nang sa ganon hindi ka mahirapan on how to convert metric to metric system. So parang ganito siya, K for kilo which is king, hecto which is King Henry, then deca means died, by means based on the unit of such as the meter, the liter, or the gram, and deci for drinking, centi for chocolate, and milk is milli. Okay? To understand it better, we have this formula naman. So to convert from one unit to another unit, follow this formula. So we have this formula to be followed. We have the desired unit. A desired unit is equal to the given unit. So, ito yung gusto natin makuha. Halimbawa, we want to convert, let's say, 100 centimeter to, gusto natin siya i-convert into, let's say 1 hectometer. So, 1 hectometer, di ba? So, ang desired unit natin ay 1 hectometer. Ang given unit natin ay 100 centimeters. So, multiply mo siya, and then susulat mo yung desired unit mo, okay, yung desired unit over the given unit. Okay, yung given unit na to, ito yung equivalent niya, no? Mamaya makikita nyo kung paano. So, halimbawa, let's say, ang 1 hectometer ay equivalent sa, let's say lang ha, na 10,000 centimeter. So, ibig sabihin, 1 hectometer over 10,000 centimeter. Pero yung dito, 100 centimeter siya. Okay, so easy lang tayo. So, mamaya makikita niyo yung example. In converting from one unit to another unit, you need to know if you are converting from a smaller unit to a bigger unit or vice versa. Let me show you the arrangement of units in the English system of measurement from smallest to biggest. So, this is the English to English conversion. So, pag magko-convert ka, pwede mo rin gawin dito. Like 12 inches, di-divide mo siya ng 12 para makakuha ka na ang 1 foot. So, let's say this is 12 inches, di ba? So, 12 divided 12 is equal to 1. So, 1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches. Tama? Next, for the feet, divide 3, mean to say tatlo. Kasi 3 divide 3 is equal to 1 yard. Okay? So, dito naman is 1,760. Kasi 1,760 divided by 1,760 is equal to 1 mile. And then same with this, 1 mile times 1,760 is equal to yard. Okay? And then, parang ganun din, yard times, kumbaga times 3, o parang ganun siya, and then feet. Parang ganun. And then, 1 feet times 12 is equal to 12 inches. I mean, kung i-multiply mo siya, no? Kunyari, let's say 1 feet, ilang inches? So 12 inches. Let's say 1 yard times 3, that's 3. So 3 feet siya. Parang ganon. Okay? So mamaya makikita natin kung paano gamitin yan. And then, for the metric to metrics conversion naman, meter is the base unit of length in the metric system. So, yung pinaka-base natin ay yung meter. So, laging ginagamit yung meter, lalo na kapag ang pinag-uusapan natin, halimbawa, is yung land measurement, yung mga lupa. So, we usually use the square meter, di ba? So, lagi natin narinig yung word na meter. Then, meron tayong mga length dito like kilometer, hecto, decameter, yan, meter, deci, centi, and milli. So, ang gagawin lang natin, move the decimal point to the right, no? Or to the left. Okay, from smallest to higher ka. Pag naman yung ano mo is from highest to lowest measurement, going to the right ka naman. Okay? So, halimbawa, 2.64 kilometer to decimeter. So, ito yung kilometer, ito yung decimeter. So, gusto ko siyang i-convert into decimeter. Tama? Ito yung given natin, 2.64 kilometers. Gusto ko siyang i-convert ng decimeter. Okay? So, anong gagawin ko? From kilo to deci, move 4 units to the right. So, ito siya, kilo. So, mag-move tayo 1, 2, 3, and 4. Kaya 4 units. So, dapat alam mo yung pagkasunod-sunod dito. Okay? So, para malaman mo, isipin mo lang yung mnemonics o yung acronym kanina, yung King, Henry, yung ganon. Diba? Drink milk. Yan. So, yung kaninang natin, mnemonics, ito, pakita ko ulit. Yan, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Yun yung i-master mo para ma-master mo yung pagkasunod nila. Okay, so kung ito yung 2.64 kanina, di ba, given siya. So, i-move natin, going to the right siya, no? So, we will move how many to the C4? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, we will add 0 dun sa mga wala. So, 26400. Ibig sabihin, 2.64 kilometers ay equivalent sa 26,400 decimeters. Okay, so ganun lang siya kadali. Okay, halimbawa naman, kung let's say 500 millimeter, ayan. Di ba pag 500 millimeter, yung milli, let's say, this is milli, right? Okay, milliliters. Millimeters, I mean. I-convert natin siya into, let's say, meter. Ayan. So, ano yung kanyang conversion? So, ito meter, di ba? Ito millimeter. And 500, ang kanyang point ay nandito. Lagi naman nandyan, no? Kapag whole number, nasa bandang hulihan yung point. So, ang gagawin natin, since it's millimeter, so, ang target natin is meter, so, mag-move tayo ng 1, 2, 3. So, tatlo. So, mag-move 1, 2, and 3. So, therefore, the answer is 0. So, mag-add ka ng 0 kapag may point, no? So, 0.5, is that 5,000? Yeah, it's 500. Or 0.5, pwede rin naman. Alisin mo na yung 0 kung total wala naman silang value. Pero sige, kung ano naman, dito mo siya naiintindihan, no problem. So, that is 0.500 meter. Or 0.5 meter is equal to 500 millimeter. Okay? Okay. So, another. Move the decimal point to the left. Halimbawa, ito nga, 150 millimeters to centimeters. From milli to centi, move 1 unit. So, tingnan natin, milli to centi. Okay, nag-move nga tayo ng 1 unit. So, ang ating given ay 150. So, ito yung point niya. Since it's a whole number, nasa dulo yung point, mag-move ka ng 1 unit, and that's 15. So, decimal point is located to the right after the last digit. So, kapag ganon, pwede mo nang alisin yung 0, no? Kasi wala naman siyang value. So, we have 150 millimeters equals 15 centimeters. Okay? So, again, kapag smallest to biggest, going to the left yung ano natin. From biggest to smallest, going to the right. Amen. Okay? Now, English to English conversion naman tayo. So, pag English to English conversion, like convert 24 inches to feet, yung pinakita kong formula kanina yung gagamitin natin. So, 24 inches ang given natin and then feet. So, given unit natin is inches and then desired unit natin is feet kasi yun ang gusto nating makuha. So, look for the conversion factor with inch and foot. So, una, hanapin natin doon sa conversion. Yung inch at saka yung foot. No? Kung babalikan natin yon, ang makikita natin, yung 1 foot na pinakita ko kanina ay equivalent sa 12 inches. Okay. Ngayon, ito yung formula natin. Given unit, desired unit, may yan, desired unit, and then given unit. Okay, ang given unit natin ay 24 inches. Ito yan, dito ko yan nakuha, no? And then, ang desired unit natin is 1 foot. Ito yan. 1 foot. And then, ang equivalent ng 1 foot. So, yung equivalent nito dito sa ilalim. So, ang equivalent ng 1 foot ay 12 inches. Nakakasunod ba? Ulitin ko ha. Yung ilalagay ko dito sa given unit, yun yung given na nasa ating problem. Yung dito naman, ito yung equivalent na kinuha natin kanina. So, yung 1 foot ay equivalent sa 12 inches. So, yung 1 foot, ito yung gusto mong makuha, di ba? Yung foot. Tapos, yung 12 inches, ito yung equivalent ni 1 foot. So, pwede kong i-cancel ito para maalis yung inches. Okay? And then, 24 times 1 is 24. 24 divide 12 is 2. So, ibig sabihin, 24 inches is equivalent to 2 feet. Okay? So, just divide 24 inches by 12 inches. The unit inches will be cancelled. Therefore, 24 inches is equivalent to 2 feet. Okay? Now, how about metric to English and English to metric naman? Paano naman ito? So, kanina, English to English lang tayo, tsaka metric to metric. What if naman kung metric to English and English to metric? So, for the conversion factors, we have 1 inch equals 254 centimeters, 1 meter is equal to 39.37 inches, 1 meter is equal to 1.09 yards, 1 kilometer is equal to 0.6 mile, and 1 mile is equal to 1.07 kilometers. So, kailangan mo lang magkaroon ng copy ng mga ano na to. Hindi naman required na memorize mo ang mga yan kasi hindi mo naman siya magagamit na as in, I mean, hindi mo naman siya magagamit palagi at hindi mo naman laging nagbe-measure ng ganyan. So, pwede kang gumamit ng index card o di kaya ay ng one half sheet of paper para isulat mo lahat ng conversion so that kapag magko-convert ka or mag-e-exam ka, halimbawa, magsasagot ka ng module, so meron kang kopya ng mga conversion factors. So, ito yung conversion factors ng metric to English at saka English to metric. Ngayon, magbigay tayo ng example like this one. Convert 3 inches to centimeters. So, ang ating given unit ay 3 inches. Ang desired unit natin ay centimeter. Okay, so, tignan muna natin ulit yung equivalent ng inches at centimeter. So, ang alam natin that inches or 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeters. Okay, so 1 inch is equivalent to siya, inch to centimeter. Ayan, so meron naman silang conversion. Okay, kung kilometer to mile, meron din siyang conversion. Alright, so, again, given unit natin is 3 inches. Ang desired unit natin is makakuha ng K. Something is wrong. No. Ang desired unit natin is centimeter. Kaya, doon na ilalagay natin dito. Okay? Centimeter. And then, ang 254, equivalent siya sa 1 inch. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, yung given unit na nasa denominator, ito yung equivalent ng desired unit na nasa numerator. Kagaya nung kanina, yung 1 foot equal siya sa 12 inches. So, therefore, pwede ko na i-cancel itong inches na to. And then 3 times 2.54 divided by 1. Parang ganun siya. So, just multiply 3 by 2.54. The unit inches will be cancelled. Therefore, 3 inches is equal to 7.62 inches. I'm sorry. This is equivalent to 7.62 centimeters. So, centimeters ang ating unit of measurement dito. Okay, may typographical error ang tayo. That's equivalent to 7.62. So, pwede mo siyang i-check kung tama ba yung computation natin using your calculator. So, we have 3, let me check, times 2.54. I'm sorry, 3 times 2.54. To check, 7.62 tama. And then, centimeter ang gagamitin natin kasi na-cancel na natin yung inches. Okay? So that's all about our lesson 4, measuring length. With that, thank you very much for listening.